I found a pancake vending machine at the subway station exit. I already had breakfast at McDonald's, but I want to see how it works. It's starting up. Don't speak with such a silly tone. It's this voice. Is he using eggs or are they just big eggs? Hello, Master. The Master is here. First, wipe the cooking surface professionalism. Life doesn't just happen. Be careful not to slip. Spread it evenly. A nice round shape brings comfort. Thank you. Eggs love to be gentle. Take your time with the eggs. Don't spill it. A thin layer helps prevent breakage. Okay. All right, it's spread out very evenly. Okay, be careful not to slip. A little sesame. Indeed, it's very little. What is this egg for? I just threw away the empty shell I used. One layer of thin clothing, be careful not to slip. A thin layer around the neck. Can you all start now? Now we need a set of more work. Honey is very late. Okay, let's go. The sauce looks quite nice when it spins. It's finally coming out of the pan. Okay, I want to flatten this out. Crispy layer has been waiting here for a while. I hope they're still crispy. It looks quite urgent. All right, thank you. These stacking actions are quite comfortable. And it's coming now. It takes about 5 minutes from ordering to cooking. Okay. Please pick up your meal at the collection point. Enjoy your meal. Please enjoy the famous soft egg pancake with its neat shape. Oh, am I just adding flowers?